Hello, Chef here. Today I'm working with leftovers. I got this awesome grilled strip steak. So we're gonna take this knife and we're gonna slice it up first. After we slice it, we're going to build some tostadas. This looks really good. It's just gonna be a little bit easier to eat with tostadas if we line it up and give it a few more cuts like this. Pico de gallo here with olives, kind of unusual. And this has been marinating now for about 24 hours. Okay, I've got some provolone cheese here. Tostadas. Leftover steak. Subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. And remember, if you need knives and butcher blocks, your sponsor's got them in stock. Best quality made. This knife's really, really nice.